Hey guys, I'm taking Murdoch Hollow. We're crossing in Frankston, Victoria. So this is a 2-gate 7 signal on the line for Stony Point, which features trains to Stony Point. So for this first signal over here, we have an unlocked base, a back of our own stop hill sign, Westinghouse LEDs on the Westinghouse cross arm, a traffic light, a cross park, and for this signal over here, we have a Westinghouse signal base, a Westinghouse base tape mechanism with graffiti on it, a back of our top hill sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on the Westinghouse cross arm, cross park, 0 kilotype Baribo, 3 outside tail light. Now for that signal over there, we have unlocked base, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on the Westinghouse cross arm, we don't know what that thing is, traffic light, cross park, and the cantilever has 2 Westinghouse LEDs on the Westinghouse cross arm, 2 tracks on cross park, pole cap, and yeah, for this signal over here, we have unlocked base, download video, a back of our top signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, traffic light, cross park, you don't know what that means. This signal over here, we have a Westinghouse signal base, Westinghouse colonnade gate mechanism, back of our own stop signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, cross park, an aircraft covered star indicator, down top Baribo, Wisdom boom game, 3 computer lights. We have base, back of our own shop signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, traffic light, cross park. The cantilever has 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, cross park, pole cap, and